Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Decision-making is a fundamental psychological process that affects our daily lives. However, our choices are often influenced by cognitive biases, systematic errors in thinking that occur when the brain simplifies information processing. These biases, such as confirmation bias, anchoring, or overconfidence, help us make quick decisions, but sometimes lead to irrational or flawed judgments. For example, confirmation bias causes us to favor information that supports our existing beliefs, ignoring contrary evidence. Understanding these biases is important because it helps us recognize when our decisions might be biased, enabling better critical thinking and more rational choices. While biases cannot be completely eliminated, awareness and reflection can reduce their negative effects and improve decision quality. The lecture explained that cognitive biases are mental shortcuts that affect decision-making. Biases like confirmation bias make us favor information that supports what we already believe. These errors help us decide quickly, but can lead to mistakes. Knowing about biases helps us think more clearly and make better decisions. The evolution of money began with the barter system, where people exchanged goods and services directly, such as trading livestock for crops. However, barter had limitations because both parties needed to want what the other offered, which made trade inefficient. To solve this, societies developed commodity money like shells, salt, and metal coins, which were durable and widely accepted as a medium of exchange. Later, paper money was introduced, initially backed by precious metals, making transactions faster and easier. In recent decades, digital money and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have emerged, allowing secure, decentralized, and global transactions. This evolution reflects society's continuous search for more efficient and trustable ways to exchange value, shaping economies and commerce throughout history. The lecture described how money evolved from bartering goods directly, which was inefficient. Commodity money like coins helped trade, followed by paper money backed by metals. Today, digital money and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin enable fast, global transactions. Money's evolution shows society's efforts to improve how value is exchanged. Globalization connects countries through trade, technology, and communication, influencing local cultures and languages in complex ways. It promotes cultural exchange, allowing traditions to reach global audiences and enriching societies. However, globalization often favors dominant languages like English, threatening smaller, local languages with extinction and leading to cultural homogenization. Unique customs and languages risk being lost as global media and trends spread. Many communities now work to preserve their heritage through education, technology, and cultural programs. Balancing globalization's benefits with protecting local identity is crucial to maintaining cultural diversity worldwide. The lecture explained that globalization spreads culture and languages, but also risks losing smaller local traditions and languages. Dominant global languages threaten diversity, but many communities try to preserve their culture through education and technology. Balancing global connections with cultural protection is vital for diversity. Literature plays a vital role in reflecting society by portraying its values, beliefs, and social realities. Through characters and stories, literature mirrors human experiences, cultural norms, political systems, and historical events, offering insight into the social fabric. It serves both as a mirror to show society's virtues and flaws and as a corrective tool that encourages reflection and change. Classic works reveal societal norms of their time, while modern literature challenges inequalities and inspires awareness. Literature fosters empathy by presenting diverse perspectives and preserves collective memory, linking past and present. Overall, it shapes and critiques societal values, influencing cultural identity and social progress. The lecture explained that literature reflects society by showing its values, history, and social issues. It acts as a mirror to reveal strengths and problems and encourages change. Literature helps people understand different views, preserve memories, and shape culture. It influences how society evolves and sees itself. Behavioral economics studies how psychological, emotional, and social factors influence consumer choices, challenging the traditional idea that people always make perfectly rational decisions. Consumers use mental shortcuts called heuristics to simplify complex decisions, but these can lead to biases like loss aversion, where the fear of losing outweighs the joy of gaining. Other biases include anchoring, where the first piece of information weighs heavily, and overconfidence, leading to risky choices. Social influences, such as herd behavior, also affect buying decisions. Understanding these patterns helps businesses design better marketing strategies and nudges that align with real human behavior, improving consumer engagement ethically. The lecture explained that behavioral economics looks at how emotions and social factors affect buying decisions. People often use mental shortcuts, causing biases like loss aversion and anchoring. Social influences, like following what others do, also shape choices. Knowing this helps marketers create better strategies that respect how people really decide. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.